Missing out on a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity is frustrating. Did you guys know that Coinbase accidentally spilled XRP secrets? This one is an important video to watch if you're holding 1,000 XRP Ripple tokens. One thing that you might have heard a lot is, if you invested just $3,000 in XRP back in 2017 and sold it at its peak level in 2018, you would have been a millionaire by now. Well, we believe that's an exaggerated version of reality. To be honest, a lot of these opportunities are a little too good to be true, but that's not what we are going to do. So you are not going to get any such unrealistic hopes from our side. We are going to talk about the reality, the truth. It might not make you a millionaire or a billionaire instantly, but it could have made your investments multiply at a realistic rate. Hey guys, glad to have you back. For today's video, we have a lot of juicy news for you. We are going to talk about all the realistic opportunities coming up for you to multiply your investments. How XRP can skyrocket and become the most used currency on the planet. We are also going to talk about what the CEO of Coinbase just tweeted about XRP and will Coinbase relist XRP. Moreover, we will talk about the latest XRP price predictions. We also have XRP price analysis and more information surrounding Ripple at the end. So if you're someone who likes to stay updated about the current cryptocurrency matters, you're in the right place. Make sure to watch the video until the end. Before diving into the video, if you love money and crypto, like the video and subscribe to the channel to watch more such videos. So without further ado, let's get into the video, shall we? According to sources, Coinbase might just be getting ready to relist XRP. Before getting into the topic, let's take a look at the chart and get an idea of what the price of XRP is currently doing. The overall trend for the XRP price remains sideways. However, the recent sell-off in the crypto market has triggered a fallout from the symmetrical triangle pattern. If the sellers could sustain the coin price below the broken support trend line, and crypto traders could expect a free fall in XRP price. The XRP buyers were retesting the triangle pattern support trend line to regain bullish momentum for a new rally. However, last week's crypto bloodbath set off a breakdown from the chart pattern, suggesting a further downslide in XRP price. The XRP price action currently shows a retest phase, which would validate for sufficient supply pressure from overhead trend lines at 70 cents. The XRP price obtained strong support from the weekly 100 EMA line, interrupting the sellers to dump the coin any lower. Conversely, the coin chart foretells a bearish crossover of the 20 and 50 MA in the near future. The weekly relative strength index 38 downward slope would soon sink into the oversold territory if the bears maintain the selling momentum. We believe it's time to get back to the topic. The XRP's legal team has won some recent skirmishes, which would force the SEC into a face-saving settlement. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission seems to be experiencing a prolonged incremental death by 1,000 paper cuts regarding its lawsuit against Ripple, which alleges Ripple crypto coin XRP is an unregulated security. When the SEC filed its lawsuit last December, many experts and analysts felt it was a death knell for XRP as it was delisted from exchanges globally. With little opportunity to raise legal funds due to delistings, many thought XRP might rip. However, XRP is putting up a fight. Not so fast. It seems the scrappy legal team representing XRP has demonstrated more dogged determination than a pack of Dogecoins facing up against the stack of Shiba Inus. Since the SEC announced the case, XRP's value has tripled and individual investors have piled in. That's mainly because XRP has been able to consistently pile up a heap of smallish procedural wins and favorable rulings from the U.S. Magistrate Judge Sarah Netburn, who's presiding over the case. One such minor win was the court's late summer order to the SEC to produce its regulatory guidelines for cryptocurrencies after XRP alleged that SEC officials admitted during a meeting that no formal regulatory guidance existed before 2019. XRP has been available to retail and institutional investors since 2012. The XRP legal team asked how could XRP break the law if no formal regulations existed for 7 years. But the SEC continues to counter and maintains that XRP is an unregistered and thereby an illegal security. The wrinkle to that argument at the heart of the SEC's case is that a clear test exists to determine whether an investment contract exists, thereby making it a security, called the Howey test. It became precedent law following the SEC versus W.J. Howey Company decision reached by the Supreme Court in 1946. The 4 points of the test determine if an investment contract exists are an investment of money in a common enterprise with an expectation of profit to be derived from the efforts of others. The law requires all 4 points to be true, and XRP requested that Judge Netburn ordered the SEC to go through thousands of pages of more than 1,500 transactional contracts to try and prove that all 4 points exist somewhere within the language of these contracts. Last week, Judge Netburn granted XRP's request. If the SEC refuses, its case downgrades to a circumstantial rather than a fact-based case, more paper cuts. Moving on, the CEO of Coinbase offered up his thoughts. Quite interestingly, the Coinbase CEO, Brian Armstrong, has been relatively quiet about the XRP proceedings for months until this week when he made a bullish tweet to his nearly 890,000 followers on Twitter. The Ripple case seems to be doing better than expected. Meanwhile, the SEC is realizing that attacking crypto is politically unpopular because it harms consumers, posted Armstrong. He added, "The irony is that the people they're supposedly protecting are the ones attacking them." Armstrong's tweet linked to an unflattering article published in August about the unexpected blowback from millions of retail investors against the SEC. The very constituency the SEC is supposed to protect. The backlash in the court of public opinion criticizes the SEC's use of confusing and conflicting guidance regarding cryptocurrency assets and its modeled mismanagement of the current Ripple case. Now, the question is, how will the SEC proceed? It's clear that this is not how SEC Chair Gary Gensler wants or expected this high-profile case to play out. One of the worst-kept secrets in Washington, D.C. is that he's jockeying to join the White House cabinet as the next Secretary of Treasury, a role he's reportedly had his eyes on since he served in that agency under the Obama administration. The optics would be bad if a Gensler-run SEC lost its slam-dunk case to a feisty crypto startup. It's not impossible to think that the SEC could seek a face-saving settlement with Ripple so its chair has a better chance at the cabinet post. A settlement would also pave the way for XRP to be resurrected on crypto exchanges such as Coinbase. The last point worth considering that suggests XRP could be available on exchanges was a tweet from Coinbase Pro in early September after several XRP assets magically appeared on the professional version of the mobile exchange and then disappeared shortly after. As previously announced, Coinbase has suspended trading in XRP. Due to a technical issue, XRP was temporarily viewable on the Coinbase Pro mobile app for some customers but was not tradable. Despite the mea culpa, it seems obvious that the Coinbase and its CEO are preparing for a possible relisting of XRP pending an SEC settlement. To paraphrase Mark Twain, it seems that reports of XRP's death have been exaggerated. Meanwhile, death by 1,000 paper cuts still hangs in the legal balance regarding the SEC's case. That said, this is it for today's video. If you want to continue to know about Shiba Inu, XRP, or Ethereum, we have more videos waiting for you on the channel to check out. The data and analysis given in this video does not comprise investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. Kindly note that the prices of cryptocurrencies change frequently, so by the time you watch this, it might have changed to a whole new value. We hope that our video was helpful for you regarding your cryptocurrency concerns and questions. Tell us in the comments section what you think about the relisting of XRP on Coinbase and if you would consider buying XRP. Also, tell us what you want to see next. Don't forget to hit that bell icon and see you in the next video.